In how many ways Indian citizenship can be lost? The correct answer is C, that is 3. So in 3 ways Indian citizenship can be lost. So according to the Citizenship Act 1955, there are 3 modes, that is renunciation, then termination, and third one is deprivation. So these are the 3 ways through which his or her citizenship will be lost. Which was Tendulkar Committee constituted? The correct answer is C, to measure poverty. So Tendulkar Committee was appointed on poverty estimation, and Suresh Tendulkar is the chairman of the Tendulkar Committee. It was established in 2005. The Taj Mahal is called a dream in marble. Which monument is called as a dream in stone? The correct answer is B, that is the Panch Mahal. So Panch Mahal is a palace in Fatehpur Sikri, Uttar Pradesh, and the meaning of Panch Mahal is 5-level palace, and it was commissioned by Akbar. This structure stands close to the Jinnah quarters. The structure stands close to the Zinana quarters, which support the supposition that it was used for entertainment and relaxation. ISRO built India's first satellite known as Dash. The correct answer is A, that is Aryabhatta. So the Aryabhatta spacecraft, named after the famous Indian astronomer, was India's first satellite. It was completely designed and fabricated in India and launched by a Soviet Cosmos 3M rocket from Kapustin Yar on 19th April 1975. Since independence, how many times national emergency has been declared in India? The correct answer is C, 3 times. So, first emergency declared in 1962 war, that is China war. Second time it was 1971 Pakistan war, and third time it is 1975, that is internal disturbance, which is declared by the Farukhuddin Ali Ahmad. But after the 44th Amendment Act 1978, national emergency can only be declared on ground of external aggression or war, also called as external emergency, and on the ground of armed rebellion, also known as internal emergency. The National Green Tribunal deal with cases relating to, the correct answer is D, that is environment protection and conservation of forest. So tribunal is tasked with providing effective and expedient remedy in case relating to environmental protection, conservation of forest and other natural resources, and enforcement of any legal right relating to environments. Which was the first garden tomb in the Indian subcontinent? The correct answer is B, that is Humayun's tomb. So Humayun's tomb built in 1570, and it's a particular cultural significance as it was the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent. Which of these languages is generally not spoken in southern part of India? The correct answer is C, Maithili. Maithili is spoken in Darbhanga, Begusarai, Saharsa in Bihar. Where is the Brihadeshwar temple built during the Chola period located? The correct answer is C, that is Thanjavur. This is located in Tamil Nadu. The decimal system of Indian currency was started in, the correct answer is C, that is 1957. So it is started from 1st April 1957. Which India city has an IIT and IIM both situated in India? So the correct answer is A, that is Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So IIM is established in 1996, and IIT is established in 2009, and they are within the radius of 25 kilometers of each other. In India, the Black Revolution is associated with self-dependence in the production of dash. The correct answer is B, that is crude petroleum. So, Indian government planned to boost the production of petroleum by mixing ethanol with petrol to produce biodiesel, and this caused major rise in petroleum production, which is known as the Black Revolution. Which was the first modern industry to develop in India? The correct answer is A, iron and steel industry. So, iron and steel industry is the first modern industry to develop in India. In which year Swami Vivekananda established the Ramakrishna mission at Belur? The correct answer is C, that is 1897. The purpose of this to spread the teaching of Vedanta as embodied in the life of the Hindu Sant Ramakrishnan and to improve the social condition of Indian people. In which year RBI was nationalized? The correct answer is B, that is 1949. So, the date is 1st January 1949. On the basis of Reserve Bank of India Act 1948, all the shares in the capital of the bank were deemed transferred to the central government on payment of a suitable compensation. Name India's oldest credit information bureau. The correct answer is B, that is CIBIL. So, CIBIL is established in 2000 and the full form of CIBIL is Credit Information Bureau India Limited. It is the India's first credit information company. Which fort is also known as the Golden Fort? The correct answer is D, that is Jaisalmer Fort. So, Jaisalmer Fort, which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The fort is also known as Golden Fort, Sonar Killa or Sone ka Killa. Which dam is built on the Bhagirathi river? The correct answer is D, that is Tehri. So, Tehri Dam and hydropower project taken up for construction on river Bhagirathi to tap its vast potential for irrigation and hydroelectric purposes. And Tehri is a earth and rock filled dam. Rashtrapati Bhavan was built in dash. The correct answer is B, that is 1912. So, Rashtrapati Bhavan was the creation of architect of exceptional imagination and masterfulness Sir Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. It was Sir Lutyens who conceptualized the H-shaped building. So, it is a H-shaped building covering 5 acre on a 330 acre estate. The mansion has total 340 rooms spread over 4 floors and 2.5 kilometer corridor and 190 acre garden is there. Barauni Thermal Power Station is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is A, that is Bihar. Barauni Thermal Power Station is existing 610 megawatt coal-fired power station earlier owned by Bihar State Electricity Board. And this station come into existence with the association with Russian collaboration and came into operation in the year 1962. Means it started after collaborated with Russians. Hope this video will help you in your preparation. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.